So guys, welcome to another video. So today we are playing a game same like BMG Drive. This game is sponsored by BMG Drive only. Like BMG Drive, it is only there in what? In PS5 and those kind of things, right? So people made with the BMG Drive people made this for the people who don't. Oh, please. See, it is BMG Drive only. It is sponsored by BMG Drive. Because some people don't have PS5 and all. A lot of people are there who like BMG Drive. Some people don't have BMG Drive. They don't have PS5 to play BMG Drive. So how do I play the real one? So this is a game sponsored by the BMG Drive. It's called as Car Crash Flexi X. Oh no, please. Sorry.
Goes to Messi, shoots.
Oh my god, bro! Sometimes only ad will come this. This is very rare in this game ad. But there are some games which there is no ad only. I want to climb that. Wait a minute guys, wait. What the? Okay, so let us continue. I don't know which vehicle is this. It is some vehicle. I don't know what it is actually. Turn. I don't want to directly crash. I want to go up, then crash. Once I'll just show you by crashing this vehicle. I'll just break this thing. Wait and watch. I can go anywhere in this place. This is very okay. Turn. There's this car in the house steering. Oh, what is this? What? Gee, bro, it's kind of stupid auto off. Oh, I did not see this and all. Door open. Wait, let me change the camera. What is this? Ow! Oh. Change camera. Which pit did I came inside first of all? Now how will I go back up? Can this Gadi only go back up? Wait! I'm stuck over here. Who made this pit? Wait, what? Oh, there's an exit at the back of it. Because there will be no pit without an exit. So why did then they would never make this thing? See, it's really like BMG Drive. Those tire marks all are coming in BMG. In BMG Drive also, those will come right. Oh, bumper. You can see up what all damage is going on in the car. Why go up? What is this? Come in reverse. I'll go in full speed. I'll go. See this. Then only this vehicle will climb. Otherwise, it won't. I don't care whatever happened to this vehicle. Thoo, what happened? I said I don't care. That's it. Bro. Restart. How to restart? The steering is corrupt. Let me see how does it look from inside. Oh my god. What halat is this? I'll repair it. Where's the vehicle? Oh, that was a pit where I'm supposed to be stuck. Oh, this means again I'll go inside it. So I was supposed to just press that repair button. No, first when I pressed it, it was not working. I guess after that it changed. You saw right how much cool damage is happening. Same BMG driver. Go down this. What is this? Wait. Master suspension. Hey, what? You're doing Tokyo Drift over here. It's not drifting game now. Stupid car. You. No. Very hard to control. Bro. Car is already broken, I guess. What is this? Oh my. Oh. Please guys don't disturb all this stupid. First, which world have those many same vehicles? I cannot. I don't want to climb. This is impossible. I like this game, but very much. My dream game first was BMG. Oh my! Arre. I'll go in full speed and cross somewhere, bro. I want to break this thing. I wish that time, just now when it fall, it hit its front part. Not becoming. Oh, what is this? Arre. Wow, nukawale. And can I change my vehicle? Can I change my vehicle? I don't want this vehicle. I don't have money. Okay, so I'll earn some money in this video. Okay. I will do a lot of crash. Vehicle, I don't care. I'm really sorry, I need to break it. Also, this game is breaking. This game, I'm supposed to break this. Wait, what? Oh my god! Vehicle is still working. Why is it turning automatically? I'm not pressing the turn button. Crash. That's it. Engine. Khatam. Engine khatam. Engine khatam. Oh, see how the I want to see how the engine looks like. Oh, very good engine actually. Oh, it's very powerful. Whatever. I need to play and earn some points by breaking this stupid vehicle. I want Lambo or something. That will break hard. That because that also have very speed. This graphics also very good in this game. I like this, bro. Google Play Store giving the best game. Now, bagaw. Hey, go straight. Climb that thing. Khatam engine. See? Not even reverse. I hit the front. This car is braking easily when it hits the front part. Fix. Sometimes after a lot of times we fix it, ad will come again. Watch and go. I was thinking tap to play. Why I should tap? But still I tapped. Stupid. Bike life. Motor stunts. Bike life. Wow. What stupid thing is saying? Who will do that in road, bro? That's what I say. It's a child. A child doing those kind of stunts in road. Parents will come and kill us. They'll kill you. It's very hard to go up. I'll just go back. One light broken. See, the back part is showing red. I never come here. There is a vehicle. Where did it spawn? Oh, dark places I cannot see my own vehicle. Huh? Is it like that? Yeah, I ended up. I'll climb this. See the tire physics, bro. The tire also is getting flat. Like, according to the weight, it is getting flat. This game is my favorite, bro. Never ever going to uninstall this game. Really expect of this much real things and all. No. Wait, where am I supposed to go? Okay. Okay, I'll do this. Wait, stop. Go a little front and turn. Oh, come back. Go back. Now, I'll just run out. Wait, oh, there's a down place to go, huh? What are I'll just do this. Khatam gadi. Now I should go from here. Shit. Side bumper gone. What is that spinning thing? What's the ramp over there? Wow, I'll just jump on it. Uri. The vehicle is tic-tac. What is there in front? It's Shakti all went. Go reverse fully. Go. Whole car it became Kochuma, bro. See, I'll show you inside cam. Oh my god.
Goes to Messi.
Adam,
Shoots.
what?
Hits
Wait a
it.
minute, guys. I'll just try one thing.
So is that, man.
I got an idea to remove ads. Like go back and come back. And come back to the game. Ad will go off. Just now tested that. That's a very good idea. No, first I want to find the best thing to break this car. Yeah, I have never tried this. What will happen over here? It's like, oh, this is a suspension test. And break this whole suspension. Wait, chi. No, it's good off-roading car is like this means. Think what will happen to the person inside the car. He will now start vomiting on. Game's physics is a lot realistic. The real BMG drive. Go! What Katara Gadi this is? Simply I said, not Katara. It's good only this vehicle. Ooh, you! Khatam! No. Still working. Now what happened? Everything is showing red. No, not everything. Some of the things are okay. I should find a very good place to fully break this car. Correct. Motor is still okay. See? See when I press brake also. It's being tik-tak. I need to first buy a vehicle, then only I can end this stupid video. It's not a stupid video. I'm getting kind of angry, not, but I like this game a lot. Never ever gonna uninstall this thing. How to climb on this? Is there any entrance? Show me the entrance. Oh, wait. Somewhere over here it is. Oh. So speed I'm going. It's like Lambo. Lambo is faster than this. It will be like meow. Oh, hey, what is this? I'm supposed to do this to just climb on that. Hard work for just getting money. There's another easy way also. I'll go through that easy way. First, let me try this way. A lot of hard work to get most of it. For this, I guess I need a very powerful car. How can this thing do? No! Oh yeah! Bro! Oh my god, then now the person inside should be dead. It's not working. Repair. Oh bro, this is very dangerous. One fall means I understood now what halat is going to happen. I not this. Really? Whoa! The vehicle is still working, then I'll go like this. We need to get a lot of money. No wonder this vehicle has become like this, is still working. I have to. I repaired it because it was kind of slow. Okay, I'll just fall down. Oh, motor is still working, bro. Repair. Really, this BMG drive, whoever made this, no. This copy from BMG drive, bro. Means the BMG drive, the people who made the PS5 BMG drive kept this kind of BMG drive and this not the it don't have the same name. People think, oh, the real BMG drive. So Jonas said to me, it is sponsored by the real person who made the BMG drive. She's there in PS5. I should be careful. Stop. Slow down. Oh, grip is also very good, bro. See how nicely it is going. Should see front also. And go the max height it can go until it become out of control. Then from there, if I fall, this car will become paper. Really, I'm telling you, it can become paper also. Like paper. Anytime it wants. Here is a slopey area. I need to put accelerator. Just go off. Hooray. Wait, I need to get a lot of points. Please go. This is the lowest point. No. Khatam. It's hardly. I will otherwise fall from there only. That's more better. It cannot even climb over here. I think for that I need some defender or something. I'll just fall from there. More better, no. Wait. Shortcut route. Where am I supposed to go? Oh, no! Huh. Vehicle is steep. Any high place is there? What is this? There's nothing in this place. Not nothing. I need to get. Until I buy that Range Rover, no? How much money I got first? Wait. Let me see. Now, where's vehicles? I should break this vehicle, I guess. Come on, break this. I need to break this. Go somewhere and break this. Very, very badly I should break this. I like these kind of physics games, not like unreal things. Okay. So bad. Okay, now fix it. Now go to vehicles and yes. I only have 500 what? What is? Object, what is this? I'm never ever gonna get wait, buy. Oh, I don't have 500 gold, right? What I will buy then? Vehicle I already have. 50 gold I have. Not. What is this search then for? Done. Bye. Leave. I cannot buy, I guess. In a few minutes I can play this game. I will cost now very damage. I won't leave this car. I'm not going to feel papa for this. I'm feeling very angry. Not papa. Not at all papa. Body is there. All breaking for me to just get points. Then think what I will do to this thing. Today this garden will be going until it becomes the size of paper. I don't believe this, I guess. Okay. Hey. Okay, sorry. Sorry. Oh no. Motor is still there. Go. No. Oh, yeah, go. I want to break this vehicle, bro. Really, I want to get something. I don't know how I got till that 500. I'll however make this Gaudi fall from somewhere. Then shall I try the another way? This way. Or I don't know where this goes. What? Where I'm supposed to go? God, you have good grip too. I guess this will fall over here any moment. Yes. Tire, you see? Oh, this is a dangerous place. I'll go here. I'll fall from more higher. Like I came a little bit down because it just goes up and come back down. Just simply. Oh, there's less place. Oh, not here. Some problem with drive shaft in the steering. Drive shaft is okay. See? Whatever I do, you do like that. Jump. Oh my! Done, Gaudi. Still on, but. Papa, bro, this Gaudi. No, Papa. What? Gaudis, no. Simple idea. Bro, people's created vehicle for driving, dude. And I'm just destroying a vehicle like anything. Just go from here and jump in that highest point ever. That will be better. Over here. As I said, it became paper. It stopped. That's it. You see, bro. Oh my god. As I said, it became paper. Really, bro, I cannot believe that. I made it really into paper as I wished. after I do this, no, I'll show to my father also. This game's physics is very realistic. I'm never ever going to understand this. Whatever it takes. Once I'll just try climbing this. I don't know what is this. No, not Tori. Oh. This Gaudi mostly stays ulta whenever it falls. Easily. Oh. Tire. With the drive shot also. I just repaired this Gaudi and braked it. That's it, done. So I'll again do that paper one. Let me try to again and in this video. That's it. This game is so fun, bro. I want to climb this once and jump from the highest point in this. I'll go slowly. The highest point and go speed. Oh, motor is still okay. Please stand. Motor and steering is okay. What? Oh, the drive shaft is going. The steering has little problem. See, it's still turning. One last time, I'll just do it and then. One last time and I'll end the video. That's it for today. I'm to study, bro. I'm still a child. I'm still studying in 6th. Really, I'm studying in Bangalore. Police school. One last time, I'll just crash this thing. It's already like papada. Done, that's it. Huh. One tire is up. Last time I fix it, play it and go. Last time I break this thing. This game even have real aerodynamics. Let's see, like, let's see how does it look like. Stop. Where is my vehicle? Hey, stop. Where's my vehicle going? I reached somewhere. Okay. This Gaudi had a lot of speed, it just went off. When the accelerator just keep on going, I don't know what is that. They did not give accelerator option. I don't want to look like, I don't want to see how to. No, please. It's not the thing I wanted to do. This game is called as BMG Drive's brother. You know what is it? Wait, I got one. I'll not go in speed, simply just. Oh my God.
this new game called Rider World, where the players are having a blast. The goal of the game.
This yesterday also happened. You know that, guys. Yesterday also it happened. I will show to my father. You saw that, right? The vehicle just bended, bro. I don't know what kind of physics is that. I have never seen a vehicle bend like that and all. Really? What is this? I'll just check this and end the video. Study. What is this? Nothing was there. Wait, something is there over here. No, it is this one. That's it. Fall from here. This is the highest point. Nothing happened to the motor. Please come back. See, the vehicle's steering is already a little bit turned. What? That's supposed to be happening. Okay, now I'll show this video. I will show to my father. This game's physics is there now. I'm gonna end the video, whatever. I did 36-minute video. Okay, that's good. Okay, whatever. For today, only this much, guys. I'm gonna end the video, whatever. Bye, guys. Bye. Wait, I have to show you once more that crashing. It is so satisfying. If you really want this game, just type in Google Play Store car crash flexi X. You will get the game. Even though it's only 104 MB. That's it. I was thinking this much good graphic game. I thought it would be like very bad. That's why it's that much MB only. That's it. Done. It's done, Gadi. Whatever for today. Only this much. I hope you like this video. Whatever. Bye, guys.